guys, Coily Frente, and we are in quarantine, and the first thing, actually, it didn't have anything to do with quarantine. It was spring break. I was supposed to go home to Philly for a week, like longer than a week, and I didn't want to do my hair every day, so I learned to do some knotless braids. So it's been a month since I did them. Actually, I didn't braid them on camera because I didn't know how they would turn out. They actually turned out better than my expectations because I've never did braids on myself by myself. And I recently, before I cut my hair, so my hair is kind of bluntly cut. Now I see why stylists do not like blunt hair. This is why they don't like blunt hair. But anyway, I am not a stylist, so I think I did pretty darn good. My braids are they look pretty good. But anyway, back to the story. I went on the interwebs and I wanted to find a DIY protein treatment because we have all this time, and why not use this time to do stuff on my own instead of just buy products? Even though the beauty store is closed, but I get most of my products from Target and Walmart and CVS anyway. But still, I wanted to do something DIY. So I am doing a DIY protein treatment. And it is from CurlMix. And I'm going to take these braids out and I'm going to get into it. So I just wanted to show y'all the process of taking out a protective style. As much as I love protective styles, I hate putting them in and taking them out. And as I'm starting to cut, I realized I look like Libby from Jimmy Neutron when she got her second hairstyle, like in the middle of the show. So now I'm just going to take out my braids. Oh, and by the way, croc clips, the hair clips that you see in my hair, the best thing ever for natural hair. You don't even have to use like a ponytail holder or anything else. Croc clips can section off a whole section of your hair. So here are my ingredients. I have coconut oil, honey, castor oil, Greek yogurt, shea butter, and an egg. These are all of my ingredients. So I have 5 clumps of shea butter, which I have already started to melt. Now I'm putting in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And I'm just going to scoop those out. I'm not going to really melt those because I don't really want hot hair. And now I'm just putting 5 tablespoons of castor oil. Imagine if I was using Jamaican black castor oil. That is a lot of oil, especially a thick oil. But castor oil is a little thinner than Jamaican black castor oil. So now I'm going to use this honey. You can use any type of raw honey you like. I chose buckwheat honey because that's what I had at my local produce shop. So I used 2 tablespoons of buckwheat raw honey. And then I'm just going to try to mix that in a little bit. Just stir it up a little bit. I'm actually going to let my blender do the job. So just stir a little stir. Just add a little bit of razzle dazzle. So now I have my Greek yogurt. So my yogurt and my eggs, I'm actually just going to put those straight into the blender because the bowl already looks gross. So I just wanted to use the yogurt. And I did. It was only 1 tablespoon, but 1 cup, but I didn't pour a whole cup. So I put in a little extra. Now I'm cracking my egg And I am just going to pour all of the ingredients from the bowl into the blender. And I'm going to make sure I got every bit of my money's worth into that blender. And I'm going to blend. And it looks like pancake batter. It's so crazy. And it didn't smell bad either. So this is me since I've cut my hair. This is what it looks like after it's washed. Yes, it's short. It's curly. But it's dry, as you can see. See that little color piece? I was supposed to cut that off, but whatevs. But you can see my little curls. They're just super dry. I don't understand why, but I have, this was, everything that was in the container is what I have right here. This is a lot, and I don't have that much hair anymore, but I'm gonna use it all because I don't know how to store this because there's an egg in it. And I don't know how long I'm gonna use this, so I'm gonna use it all. And I have on gloves because it has egg in it. Yeah, something about raw eggs. It creeps me out. But I'm gonna get into this. I'm not gonna part or anything. I'm just gonna make sure it saturates my hair. I should have parted. Actually, I'm gonna part it. Word of advice, wear a shirt that you dislike, heavily dislike, because the oil stains are not coming up out of my shirt. It is totally ruined. But I am parting it, and with the fingers, of course, because I don't use combs that often. And eventually I just started using my hands because the gloves just started making a mess everywhere. And yes, I was icked out, but I was like, let me get this, let me finish this before I started, freaking out. So I just part and pour that pancake batter over my head. So this is what she looks like after the protein conditioner, well, protein treatment. Definitely added a little bit of shine to it. My camera does no justice. And it brought some of my curls back to life. As you know, I'm still trying to restore that. So definitely I will try again. I would say that. And now I'm just doing the slow-mo just to take a look at my curl pattern, my texture, and my curls. I don't even know what to call my hair type. I don't know if it's 3, 4, 5, But thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will be doing more DIY things for you guys. Peace out.